I get this question all the time. Devin, should beginners start with shorts or long form for a faceless YouTube automation channel? My answer is start with long form if your goal is to build a real channel, and use shorts to test hooks, not as your whole strategy. Here's the decision rule. If your main goal is fast feedback, cheap experiments, and learning what titles and hooks get attention, shorts are great. You can post more, learn faster, and figure out what people actually stop for. But if your goal is monetization, search traffic, authority, or getting viewers to actually trust the channel, long form wins. It gives YouTube more context, gives viewers more value, and gives you better data on retention, not just swipes. For most beginners, the best move is a long form first system. One solid 6 to 10 minute video per week, then cut 3 to 5 shorts from that same topic. Why? Because you're not building two content engines. One research process, one script, one editing workflow. If you use Satura, that's where the workflow layer helps turn one content brief into both formats without reinventing the wheel. So if you only pick one, pick long form. If you want faster learning, support it with shorts. That's the cleanest beginner setup,